Terrific Good Food. Mrs. Kimball here with Leah. And Leah was looking through my ebook, Smart Sweets, and found a pudding recipe. And she said, Mom, I want to videotape the pudding recipe. I said, but you haven't made it yet. So we decided we would do a demonstration of what it's like for a kid to try a new recipe. Yeah?
Yeah.
So first step is it's wise for an adult to watch the child talk through the recipe and see if there's anything the kid doesn't understand. So what are we doing today, Leah?
It says, in a heavy-bottomed, medium-sized saucepan, whisk sugar, starch, and salt.
Okay, we collected our ingredients already. So how did you figure out what a heavy-bottomed saucepan was?
Well, on the bottom of this pan, it has a little extra thing.
Mm-hmm. We could feel it, right?
Yeah.
You felt our
heavier.
saucepans. We have a pretty cheap one and that cheap one would probably burn the milk.
Pour milk in slowly while whisking. Heat over medium or low, whisking occasionally, until bubbles form on the edges or top. The mixture will begin to thicken and coat the back of a spoon or hang onto the whisk.
Can you picture what that would look like?
Yeah, so it's going to be like all liquidy, like when you're normally whisking, it's like it's all liquidy and doesn't stick to it, but it's going to start sticking to it.
Let's see what it looks like. Cool.
And then it says, cook and stir constantly for 2 minutes after the bubbly/coated point. Remove from heat and stir in butter and vanilla.
Okay. So after the heat is off,
Yeah.
you stir in the last two. You know what? I interrupted you and I made you miss a super important sentence.
Oh.
My apologies.
Do not allow to a full boil.
That's super important because if you miss that, you can't back it out.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, and then that's it, except
And
for
then you just have
pouring.
to pour into one large serving bowl or individual glass bowls with a lid and chill is 2 hours before serving.
Okay, and what did you choose for that?
I'm just doing individual glass bowls and we have lids for those.
Okay, so should I stay here? Should I go? I should go. Leah's 10, so she is our upper level. She knows what she's doing. I'll see you later.
The first thing says to whisk sugar, starch, and salt. For my sugar, I need 1/2 cup of sugar. So I have a 1/2 cup here. No holes, no hills, so I'm filling in all my holes. Wipe it flat. Dump it in there, and then the next thing I need. Oh, I gotta move my thing to the right. And next I need my starch, so my arrowroot starch, and I need 4½ tablespoons of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I need my half. And the last thing I need is my salt, and I need 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a very small amount. Let's get together. Well, it's poofing, and then I'm going to pour in my 3 cups. And start with 1 cup at a time, so I have a 1 cup measuring cup, and it says to whisk it in. This is perfect. Whisk it while pouring it in. So I'm going to do that. 2 cups. 3. Then I need to go over to my stove and turn it on to medium. Whisk occasionally until bubbles form on the edges or top. It'll start sticking to my whisk. I need to make sure that I don't let it go to a boil. So this is going to take about 2 minutes. So I want to make sure I'm holding my handle while I'm whisking. I want to remember I'm not going to bring it to a boil. I'm going to stir occasionally. Remember until starts sticking. So when it says whisk occasionally, it doesn't mean stand there whisking the whole time. It means just come back and forth and whisking it. It's going to take several minutes. Also, when I'm whisking, I want to make sure I'm scraping the bottom the whole time, and I'm holding onto the handle nice and tight so my milk, my hot mixture does not go flying everywhere. That would not be good. So it's definitely not at all starting to stick. It's just when I lift it up, it's just dripping. So it is not ready yet. My mom said that I can test with a finger to see how fast it's going. It's definitely not cold anymore. It's getting to the warm side. And now I'm starting to see, I can see some bubbles around the side. See new ones popping up. It's not insanely a lot. I can hear it now. Can hear it bubbling a little more. Ooh, look at this. I see it. Whoopsies. It's starting to stick. See, lots. I'm doing my hula hoop stir. And every single time I pick it up, there's always, it's like a gooey, almost looks like a booger. And now I'm going to start my 2-minute timer. So now I should be stirring the whole time now that I have set my 2-minute timer. Because it said cook and stir constantly. You can feel it, it's getting a little more thick. It's definitely not too liquidy, but it's definitely not into pudding yet. I'm going to check just to make sure because it said that it could stick to the back of a spoon. I can really feel it getting thick now. So yeah, I think it's good. Oh my, now I can totally feel, ooh, it's getting so much thicker. It's not so liquidy. It's not like it's liquidy enough so I can like pick it up. It's going to stick all the way, but I can really feel it. And my timer just went off, so I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to grab an oven mitt just to be safe because I do not want to drop this in the ground. And I'm going to set it on my trivet that I have right here. And now it says, now I have to stir in the butter and the vanilla. So my vanilla, my butter, I need 1 tablespoon. So my butter, it tells me what a tablespoon is. I'm going to, I don't even need to open my package. Just going to take my butter knife and I'm going to cut it right through the package. I'm going to stick it in there. Now I need to, ooh, it's getting creamy now that I've added that and it's even more thick. So every single step is making it more thick. Now I also need to do my vanilla and I need 2 teaspoons. 1, throw that in, and now I can start to feel it starting to get into more of a pudding-y. Still gotta whisk in my butter. My butter's melting, so I still have chunks. Smells really good. Unfortunately, I cannot eat this though, even though it smells so good. I'm making this for my family and I can't eat it because I have been sensitive to dairy. So now I'm really starting it to feel it get thick. A little bit of vanilla patch. Okay, now I'm ready to put it in. Put more of those sticking to the bottom. I did accidentally scald a little bit, but I'm not going to mix it in. It's not terrible. It's still going to taste great. Scalding means where it got like brown, the milk got like a little burnt. Ta-da! That is homemade vanilla pudding. I'm Leah from Kids Cook Real Food. Thanks for joining me.